The only bird that dares to attack an eagle is a crow, but the eagle doesn't fight back. The crow is relentless, pecking at the eagle's neck, trying to pull it down. But the eagle stays calm. It doesn't flap, it doesn't waste energy. The eagle does one thing: it rises. The higher it soars, the thinner the air becomes. The crow can't handle that altitude. Eventually, it loses strength and falls off. Not because the eagle attacked, but because the eagle ascended. Let the noise keep talking. Let the pecking continue. You don't have to respond. Just keep going higher. Your growth will silence their noise, because they can't follow you forever. Elevate.